Have you ever wondered what plants truly need to thrive? As we delve into the dawn of life, let's uncover the fundamental needs of our leafy companions. Just like us, plants need four basic things to survive: light, water, soil, and air. It's a simple list, but each component plays a vital role in plant health and growth. Let's start with light. Plants are the ultimate solar power machines, harnessing the sun's energy to fuel their growth. Through a remarkable process known as photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, storing it in their cells for later use. It's a little like cooking up a solar feast, with the sun as the main ingredient. Next up is water. Plants need water, much like we do, to stay hydrated and maintain their cellular functions. But water also plays a crucial role in transporting nutrients from the soil to the plant's cells. Think of it as the plant's personal delivery service, shuttling essential nutrients right to their doorstep. Speaking of nutrients, let's talk about soil. This isn't just dirt we're discussing. Soil is a living, breathing entity teeming with nutrients that plants need to grow. It's a gourmet buffet for plants, offering a smorgasbord of minerals and organic matter that nourish them from root to leaf. And lastly, air. Yes, plants need air, or more specifically, the carbon dioxide found in air. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide, using it as a key ingredient in their energy production process. It's a beautiful symbiotic relationship, with us breathing out carbon dioxide for plants to absorb, and plants releasing oxygen for us to breathe in. Just as we require food, water, and air, plants too have their basic needs. But there's more to their survival than meets the eye. As we continue this journey into the secret life of plants, we'll discover how these needs vary and adapt based on their environment, and how understanding these needs can transform not just our plants, but our relationship with the natural world around us. Plants are not one size fits all. They are as diverse as the environments they inhabit. Just as we humans thrive in a variety of climates and habitats, so too do plants. Each species has adapted to its own unique environment, mastering the art of survival in conditions that can range from the lush, humid rainforests to the stark, dry deserts. Let's take a journey around the world, through the lens of our leafy friends. Picture the rainforests. They're a cacophony of life, with towering trees, sprawling vines, and a sea of green. Here, plants have adapted to the high humidity and low light conditions. They've developed large, broad leaves to absorb as much light as possible, and some have even taken to the skies, growing as epiphytes on other plants to reach the light above. Now, imagine the stark contrast of a desert. It's a harsh, unforgiving landscape where water is a precious commodity. Cacti and other succulents reign here, with their thick, fleshy leaves storing water for the long, dry spells. Their spines not only deter predators but also provide shade, reducing water loss from evaporation. These two habitats couldn't be more different, and yet, plants have found a way to thrive in both. But what does this mean for us, the plant caregivers? Simply put, understanding a plant's natural habitat can guide us in providing the best care for our green companions. A fern from the rainforest floor will appreciate a shady spot in your home and a regular misting to mimic the high humidity it's used to. On the other hand, a cactus is perfectly content basking in the sunlight and can go weeks without a drop of water. By mimicking their natural environments as closely as possible, we can help our plants not just survive but thrive. It's about more than just watering and sunlight. It's about understanding the unique needs of each species and adapting our care routines accordingly. Every plant has its own unique personality, shaped by the environment it calls home. So let's respect these personalities and create the perfect environment for them, right in our own homes. Just like us, plants too need a balanced diet to grow. Plants are quite the gourmet eaters. They need a mix of macronutrients and micronutrients to truly thrive. Macronutrients are the big players: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen is a bit of a growth guru for plants, aiding in leaf and stem growth. Phosphorus, on the other hand, is a bloom booster, encouraging root growth and flowering. And let's not forget potassium, the plant's personal bodyguard, strengthening plants and helping them resist diseases. Then we have the micronutrients, the little extras that make a big difference. These include iron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, and others. They may be needed in smaller amounts, but their roles are vital in various plant processes. But how do you know if your plants are getting their 5 a day? Well, nutrient deficiencies often show up as telltale signs on the plant. Yellowing leaves could mean a lack of nitrogen. Purplish leaves might indicate a phosphorus shortage. And if the edges of your leaves look burnt, your plant may be crying out for more potassium. Now, you might be wondering, How do I serve up this smorgasbord of nutrients? There are a few ways to do this. One is through commercial fertilizers, which come with instructions on how much to use and how often. It's like a ready-made meal for your plants, but remember, more isn't always better. Over-fertilizing can harm your plants more than help them. If you prefer a more natural approach, organic methods are your best bet. Composting kitchen scraps like fruit peels and coffee grounds can create nutrient-rich soil. Or you could try making your own plant food from things like banana peels, eggshells, and even aquarium water. It's like home cooking for your plants. The right nutrients can turn a struggling plant into a thriving one. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a budding plant parent, remember the nutrient game. It's not just about keeping your plants alive, but helping them live their best lives. Understanding plant needs is not just about keeping your plants alive, it's about creating a thriving ecosystem. Welcome back to our journey into the secret life of plants, where we're unveiling the importance of understanding and meeting the needs of our leafy companions. When we comprehend the needs of plants, we do more than just ensure their survival. We contribute to creating an environment where they can truly flourish. This goes beyond mere aesthetics, as a healthy plant is a powerful ally in the fight against climate change. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and release oxygen back into our atmosphere, a process we know as photosynthesis. Thus, a thriving plant population can help balance our planet's carbon levels, contributing to a healthier and more sustainable environment. But the benefits don't stop at the environment. Cultivating a deeper understanding of plant needs can also have a profound impact on our own well-being. Caring for plants can be therapeutic, providing a sense of purpose and accomplishment as we watch them grow and thrive. This can be an effective stress reliever, promoting mindfulness and a sense of calm. Some studies even suggest that the presence of plants can enhance productivity and creativity, making them ideal companions for workspaces and study areas. Moreover, as we learn to understand and meet the needs of different plants, we naturally foster a sense of appreciation and respect for biodiversity. This can inspire us to be more conscious of our choices, encouraging sustainable practices, and a more harmonious relationship with nature. Finally, understanding plant needs can spark curiosity and a love for learning. Whether it's diving into the science of photosynthesis or exploring the diverse range of plant species, there's always something new to discover. This knowledge can be shared, inspiring others to embark on their own journey of plant care and environmental stewardship. In conclusion, when we take the time to understand and cater to the needs of plants, we are not only nurturing them, but also cultivating our understanding of the world around us. When we care for our plants, we care for our planet and ourselves. Now that you understand the secret life of plants, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. The world of plants is a fascinating one, filled with mysteries and wonders. But these wonders aren't just for scientists in laboratories, they're for everyone. You, me, all of us can play a part in understanding and nurturing these green companions. Think about the plants in your own home or garden. Whether it's a towering oak, a delicate orchid, a hardy cactus, or a humble houseplant, each one has its own unique needs. And now you have the knowledge to meet those needs. Remember, plants need light, water, soil, and air. They need the right environment and the right nutrients. But they also need care and attention. They need you. And in return, they will reward you with their beauty, their growth, and their contribution to a healthier environment. So, start observing your plants more closely. Notice how they respond to changes in light, water, and environment. Experiment with different care techniques. Try your hand at using both commercial and organic fertilizers, but most importantly, enjoy the process. Plant care isn't just a task, it's a journey of discovery and connection. It's about understanding the complex, beautiful web of life that surrounds us and our role within it. And it's about experiencing the joy and satisfaction that comes from nurturing life. By taking care of plants, you're not just improving their lives, you're improving yours too. You're fostering a deeper connection with nature, enhancing your well-being, and contributing to a greener, healthier world. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, embrace your role as a plant guardian. Apply the insights and knowledge you've gained and continue to learn, grow, and evolve alongside your plants. By understanding the needs of plants, we can create a greener, healthier, and happier world. So go ahead and let your green thumb shine.